Hey everyone,
Hello everyone.
this is Salma,
Hi.
and she's doing a workshop on Saturday the 24th of November called Why Props Deserve Props. So tell us a bit about it, Salma.
Sure. The workshop is a 2-hour workshop. It's on the 24th of November. I will go through why props are important in our practice and the benefits of using props. So if you're a beginner and the floor feels really far away, it's a great way to bring the floor a little bit closer to help with alignment. And a lot of the postures where you're supposed to keep your spine straight, right? And same with straps. Sometimes our arms are not long enough to reach our feet, for example. So that's why using props can really benefit your practice. Same goes for advanced practitioners. So oftentimes, props are looked at as something beginners use and advanced practitioners aren't supposed to use them, but that's absolutely false. Blocks not only help with alignment and help keep us protected, they actually can deepen the practice. So if you really have long hamstrings, let's say, and touching your toes is no problem, adding a block between your feet and your hands can actually lengthen the length of your legs, which then using the block makes it
Like
a little
stretch,
bit,
right?
a deeper stretch,
Yeah.
exactly. So give it a go, try it, come along. If you have any questions, you can ask Sarah or myself. I really look forward to seeing you there. I think it will be beneficial for everybody, and you can learn new tricks through this workshop.
Yeah, great. Right, so we'll see you all there. You can just book it online. It's under the workshop tab, so just book it through the website, and we'll see you on Saturday the 24th.
See you there.
Great, bye.
Bye.